Hey, we've got some new guys here. Look, there's actually going to be like 5 of us now. I can't. Oh, wow. I mean, we're still like way outnumbered, but it'll even the odds a little bit. Look at this guy. Are they still asleep? Yeah, yeah. They stay asleep until we get them out of the box. And then they wake up. It's just how it goes. Yeah, this guy here, he looks pretty big. That'll be good. Give us a break, because especially when she comes out with those awful outfits, maybe we won't get stuck with all the bad ones. And remind me, remember the last outfit she made me wear? It was awful. It really was the worst. Yeah. So, this will give us a break. Change of pace. Well, I'll be glad when they started. When are they going to open them? Soon, I think. Well, looks like they're all here. I think everyone's about ready. What do you think, Lana? Yeah, I think we're ready to get them out. We have everything set to unbox them, right? Yeah. I think it's time to introduce a new crew to everybody else. It's weird how they're asleep until you unbox them. I know, I don't remember anything until they came out of the box. Me either. So it's hopefully they'll like it here. Oh, come on. They're gonna love it here. I get to meet all you guys. That's right. Let's get them unboxed and find out all about them.